Hey guys, this is Uncle Chris. I wanted to give you a quick recipe today that's really good. Since I'm losing weight, I wanted to show you this on the lighter fare, which is my teriyaki steak and Cajun shrimp rainbow salad. Oh yeah. I was fortunate enough that I was able to get a steak on sale. Thank goodness. And the shrimp were on sale too. $5, $5. Hey, you can't beat that. Now here, I've got some pickled beets, red onions. I have some tomatoes, yellow bell pepper. I've chopped them all up. And I also have some romaine lettuce. Listen to me. Lord, I've been hitting the sauce too much. I don't do that. Now, these, of course, were from the food pantry. I was lucky enough to get some of these. Check this out. You're going to love berries on your salad. Okay? Now, I have seasoned this steak. How you get teriyaki is very simple. I use low sodium soy sauce, brown sugar, and garlic. Mix it all together, rub it right on your steak. Leave it overnight, and look, it's seasoned teriyaki. The shrimp I have seasoned with low sodium Old Bay seasoning. Just sprinkle that on the top. Don't they look delicious? All right. Without further ado, I've been heating up some olive oil. Ooh, make sure your steak sizzles. That's music to my ears. Oh, yes. Now, I'm going to do mine rare. Not a lot of people like that, but that's what I'm doing. So, I would say 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and the shrimp about the same time. Now, I'm also going to put the shrimp in there too, because it's not going to take them long at all. All right. Sizzling goodness. Now, while the shrimp and steak are doing their thing, we're going to come over here and we're going to do something real simple. See how I got this in here? I'm doing it one-handed, y'all. Shake right over the top. How about that? I did that pretty good. Try that one-handed. I'm getting pretty good at this, y'all. I love a beautiful rainbow salad. You know, that makes it so tasty and so easy to eat. Yes, my hands are clean. Of course. Trust your Uncle Chris. Now, I'm going to put a few berries throughout the salad. The sweetness complements the saltiness. It is so good and so good for you and fills you up so that you're not hungry. And if you're eating later at night, this will be better for you. It won't weigh your stomach down, okay? Now, you don't have to put the meat on here. You can just eat it like this with your favorite dressing. Ooh, I'm going to try one. Oh. Mm-hmm. Yes. All right. A few more blueberries. Okay. It's time. Oh, look at that. See the sear on that steak? Flip the steak over. Flip the shrimp over. Get you a good sear on the shrimp. All right. Now this steak is not that thick, so I'm not going to keep it going too long. Okay. How are all my nieces and nephews doing out there? I'm just drying off my plate, getting ready for the steak and the shrimp. Oh, that looks delicious. All right. Make sure you get a good sear on those shrimp. Yes. They're gonna be delicious. Mm-hmm. Get all of these. All right. Mm-hmm. Once you have your shrimp and your steak done, all you do, let it rest for about 5 minutes. Cut your steak, lay it on top of your salad, and put your shrimps around. And then go to town eating. All right, there we go. My teriyaki steak and Cajun shrimp rainbow salad. Doesn't that look good? Mm. This is enough for 2 people. Just share, and I mean share, don't fight over it. Add your own favorite dressing. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the salt-free seasoning to give it a little bit of a kick. All right. Till next time, this is Uncle Chris with a quick recipe. Thank you, all my nieces and nephews. Please like, comment, subscribe, share me. Until next time.